In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a view-only PDF from Google Drive. This entire process should just take about 5 minutes. We'll go through each step clearly so you can follow along easily and accomplish this task without breaking a sweat. First, begin by opening up your preferred web browser. Any contemporary browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari should do the trick. Head over to the search engine and type in Google Drive. You'll want to click on the first search result or the one that has drive.google.com in the URL. This URL is Google's own website, and going directly to it ensures you'll be in the right place to access all your files. Once you're at the Google Drive homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you're not already. Make sure to use the correct credentials associated with the account that has access to the files you want to download. It's important to check that you're logging into the right account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. With the login complete, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section titled Shared with Me. Click on that. It's within this section that you'll find files that others have shared with you, including the PDF file you intend to download. Now, to confirm if your document is indeed view-only, you'll need to do a quick check. Look for the 3 vertical dots, typically referred to as the ellipsis, next to the file in question. Click on these dots to open a menu, then find and click on Details. A sidebar will appear, and if you scroll to the description section, you'll be able to verify if the document is set to view only. This is a handy tip because it ensures that you know in advance the permissions set on the document. With that verified, you're now ready to download your PDF file. Close the Details sidebar and find that ellipsis again. Right next to it, you'll see the Download button. It's usually represented by a downward-facing arrow. Click this button to start the download process for your PDF. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, the download might take a few seconds or a bit longer. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a view-only PDF from Google Drive. Keep this guide handy for the next time you need to perform a similar task, and feel free to explore other functions within Google Drive, such as organizing your files or collaborating with others in real time. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.